What's up guys, Faison back again with Mob Auto Boutique. It's been a long time since we've done YouTube videos. Whole new format. It's gonna be way different. I don't think you guys have seen the new shop on YouTube yet. We've been here for a couple of years, so it's not really new anymore, but let's go inside, check out what we're doing this week. So, first project we got going on, we got a brand new 2023-24 Audi R8, getting a full gloss dandelion wrap from Nositech, along with the high gloss black 3M wrap for the top half. It's got a set of HREs going on here. I think we're gonna be the first ones with 21s and 22s in an R8, and it's gonna look nuts. We got the SRM Motorsports exhaust already done on it. The thing is insanely loud. We'll put a clip in there a little later on. We got a high wing, a Vorsteiner high wing going on here. And what else are we doing? This whole lip kit on here. It's gonna look crazy. Shop truck, we got a new GMC Sierra 1500 elevation for our shop truck. We've already done a 4-inch lift on here. So that one's getting a full satin black wrap. We just did the cat skin interior on here, if you wanna check that out. It's actually a 4-cylinder turbo truck too, so a little better on gas. We did the amp steps on here, the 20x10 fuel Rebels, and 35-inch Toyo RTs. We got the Enzo LED conversion taillights on there. To my right, we have a Chevy Silverado 2500, 2018. We did a level on this truck, 20x10 methods and some 35s. This truck is getting color matched and a chrome delete, got some new side steps. It's getting tons and tons of stuff, little small stuff, and then if you come in close, you can tell this thing needs a paint correction, so we're gonna get that taken care of too. Behind me, you'll see a blue Gen 5 Viper. That one's just here for my buddy Ellie. It needs to get paint corrected, and then he can have it back, maybe. We'll see. On the lift right now, we got a GMC Sierra elevation. This one previously had a 6-inch lift on it. If y'all know anything about GMCs, they do not like big wheels and tires, but this one has 20x10s and 35s on it. Customers complaining that it was rubbing a little bit, so what we're actually doing on this truck, we're adding a leveling kit to the front. So it's gonna have a little bit of reverse rake, but it'll clear up that rubbing issue, so it won't have that to worry about anymore. And then in our tint bay, not getting tint of course, we're just sitting there, Jeep Wrangler JK in for the top half color matched. So it's getting the black top color matched to the white, give it more of a premium look. I think it looks better. And this one we previously did wheels, tires on, and a lift on it. But yeah, that's it for today. All right, so I know I said end it today, but no, we still got more coming. Brand new F-150. He just got a BDS 6-inch lift installed. He's one of our neighbors, so excuse me. We had to get him taken care of on wheels and tires. So his factory wheels are coming off. We're taking the sensors out of those, using the OEM sensors, mounting some brand new 35, 1250, 22 Nitto ridge grapplers on his new fuel rebars, 22x12. So we're gonna see how much trimming and how much cutting needs to happen on this, because that is a very aggressive fitment for this truck. We should be fairly close, but a little bit of trimming here and there will have to happen for sure. But yeah, let's go check out those wheels and tires. 22x12 fuel rebars. If you look at it, it's crazy concave because it's a no lip wheel, which I think is coming into style now. All the wheels with the fat lip, like my truck, it's kind of going out of style. So deep concave, 12 wide wheels on the 1250, 35-inch Nitto ridge grapplers. Yep, ridge grapplers. We'll see how it looks on the truck. All right, so I know I've been cutting around a lot, but we got another project in. This one's a brand new 2024 GMC Yukon Denali. This one's getting quite a bit of stuff done. So it's getting new wheels and tires, full chrome delete, and probably a wrap. Trying to figure out the color right now for the dealership. This one is for DeMontron GMC, so if you're in the market for a new vehicle and the vehicle's still available, that's where you can be able to find it. But he's taking off the factory sensors right now. Like we said before, we use factory sensors as much as possible. Getting 24-inch replica GM wheels. So keep that OEM plus look going on it. Trying to figure out what color calipers we should do, what color wrap we should do. We know we want to go something neutral, but I think the caliper's got to be some accent color, like a green or a red, maybe a blue. But yeah, let's see what progress goes on this thing this week. All right, back again, another day at the shop. Friday, so we're trying to end the week and get as much stuff knocked out as we can. We got my buddy Ellie's C3 Corvette here. We got to do a new pinstripe on the driver's side, so we're gonna take care of that for him. Beautiful L82 car. So he's got a crazy different collection, and this one's one of my favorites just because you don't see it every day. In front of it, you got Shop Truck. Shop Truck got finished up this week. We got the satin black wrap finish on it, 20 by 10 Fuel Rebels, 35-inch Toyo RTs, bronze accents on the GMC letters to match the wheels and wheels. We got bronze accents on the side fender flare trim pieces. Decided to keep it satin black and gloss black, trying to give it a little bit of contrast with each other. So a lot of people ask, can you fit 20 by 10s and 35s on a 4-inch lift? Answer is yes, but if you look in here, there's a ton of trimming that needs to be done all around. But we have no rub now, so made it work. But yeah, amp steps installed on here. We have a bed cover that's not on here right now because we had to go pick up the Jeep roof, which we'll show you that later. We got the Enzo LED full conversion taillights, again with the bronze GMC letters in the back. I don't know if it's locked right now, but we got the cat skin leather interior. We do everything. What do we got outside? Let's check it out. We got another truck dropped off, GMC 2500 HD. It's getting a 7-inch lift, some wheels and tires in 22s and 37s. Chrome delete, full wrap, getting it completely changed up. Those wheels are not for this truck. Ignore those. They're just our rollers. Let's go check inside the shop and see what we got. All right, inside the shop, we got GMC Yukon Denali. This one is getting ready for a full chrome delete. We already threw the 24s on there with the new tires. This one is also getting wrapped. I know we were talking about what color. We decided the color. You're gonna see that in next week's video. It's gonna look pretty badass. Up here, we got a previous truck that we have done with 24s and 35s. He got a tire that had a busted belt, so under warranty, we got it replaced for him. We're doing a rotate and balance on it now too, and just checking up, doing a retorque, making sure everything is still good on it. We got Chevy Silverado 2500 that we were working on all week. The color match is almost done. He's got to do some more polishing on it, get all the little swirls and light scratches gone, and then that truck will be good to go today. We also did a leveling kit on it, 20 by 10 methods and 35-inch AT tires. In the corner, we got Jeep Wrangler that we did the color match top on, getting finished up. I'm not gonna go too close because it is kind of loud there, but we did the whole top, detexturized it, so sanded it smooth, got it primered, got it painted. Now it's matched to the rest of the vehicle. We got a white Yukon Denali we had done some work on previously, getting some touch-ups. Again, another Yukon Denali with 24s. A lot of people are worried 24s don't work that well, they ride rough. That thing eats it up, and you can put a tall tire on it and still be comfortable. And the star of the show, the R8. It is done, getting cleaned up, getting ready for video footage, pictures, the whole 9 yards. Let's go over what all we did on this car. So, of course, you can tell we did the dandelion yellow and Nosotec wrap. Top half is wrapped in 3M high gloss 2080 black. The full Maxton kit all along the car. It is lowered. It's got 21-inch HREs in the front, 22-inch HREs in the back. I don't think there's another R8 on the market that has 22-inch HREs, 22-inch anything on the rears. Michelin Pilot Sports, full custom SRM straight pipe exhaust, ceramic tint. What am I missing on here? I feel like we've done more. Well, that's a lot of stuff anyways. But yeah, oh, and the Vorsteiner wing, of course. So that was fun to install. If your car doesn't come with a wing and we got to install a wing on it, just be prepared. It's gonna take some time, some cutting and making it work. But We got some footage coming of this one a little later on in this video, and I think that's about what wraps it up for the week, right? Cool.